Salutations, feller skis. So we're out again with the Blackwing. I've just done the brake pads yesterday. They're Carbotech AX6s, and I have not yet bedded them in, so they kind of make like weirdish sort of sounds when I'm bulling, but I needed to get out and drive, and I haven't driven this car in like weeks at this point because it took so long. I had an issue with UPS where they delivered to the wrong place, and so there was just a bunch of crap going on. So basically what I'm going to be doing is going up the mountain, which you probably can't see right now, but I'm on the hunt for some new roads, and so I'm going to be driving up the mountain and doing a little video for that. So hopefully y'all have some fun. It's a new road. Okay, so here we have the setup, a little bit different than usual, but I'm just wanting to see what this looks like. So what we're going to be doing is going into V mode. I'll leave the suspension in the softest setting because the road is like slightly messed up here, and then you can see all the other stuff that I have set here. I'll do PTM Sport as well. Not that I expect to be losing much traction here, but now I just gotta wait until there's not too many cars in front of me and head out. Okay, so we have a 992 GTS, it seems like, in front of us, and also a GR86. They're not going crazy fast, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of room, but I want it to be behind cool cars if I'm gonna have to be behind a car anyway. But yeah, this part's kind of bumpy here. So I'm just gonna let the gap build up a little bit before getting on it, before it gets to the actual curvies. Also, another good thing from this camera setup, it's like slightly more annoying for me, but the upside is that you can actually see the G meter now, which most of the time you can't, I guess, from how I do it. Okay, we got a car coming up behind us, so time to go. Cars coming up into my lane. It's classic. Not as many pops today. Looks like we've caught up to traffic. I guess I'll just wait until another car comes from behind or from the right, and then we'll go. Okay, so there's not too much space in front of us, but I guess I'll just do what I can get. This is a pretty good road though. Maybe good to come here at night. It's got some good elevation gain, but not as good dippy and divies as some of the other roads that I drive on, but it's still pretty good. This turn right here is pretty good. Like that, we're next to the slowies, and you can hear the brakes are making strange noises. They definitely need to be bed in. They're stopping pretty good, even though they're making weird sounds. And this is without being bed. I keep bringing it up, but it's just like really, really noticeable with the brake sound and stuff. So you can kind of see the mountain up there from here. Very nice bowling weather today, but apparently everyone else thinks the same way, so unfortunately we got a lot of traffic out here today. Ooh, this looks like another good road. Unfortunately, there's troglodytes in front of me. I mean, normal drivers. I'm sure they're very smart. Alright fellas, I'm sure you can see that there's an underpass coming, so you already know what's about to happen. I'm going to crack the window a little bit too once I get close. No pops. That's unfortunate. I think I revved it to slightly above 6K, so it didn't do it. Very picky about those pops, this car, but I don't know. It'd be like that sometimes. At least I got to send it a little bit. I see a cool C6 up there, but also I see space to open it up a little bit. Well, probably not the greatest idea to keep going, but it's too much traffic out here. I'm not normally a cutter-upper of sorts, so I just wanted to open the car up slightly, but I guess I'll give it one last. Okay, I'll get off of it after that. Time to relax. Okay fellas, so I'm back here. This one was a little bit of a shorter bowl. Didn't go out with my friends or anything, but basically I had just been driving, or I hadn't driven the Blackwing in a while, and I just put in the brakes and they're still making weird sounds because I haven't bed them in anything, so I wasn't trying to push it too hard, but basically I just needed to get out and drive this car because it's been a long time and I figured I'd make a little video about it. So that's kind of where we're at. As you can see, cars parked here and other cars over here, but I will swap this car back into the other garage once my apartment complex cleans it finally. But yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video and you're having a good day. But yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one.